Hello students, welcome to MTuitions. So think trigonometry is only about formulas and angles. Think again. What if I tell you trigonometry helps find the heights of the tower, distance of ships and even aeroplane positions? So in this video we will learn applications of trigonometry in the simplest way. Let's solve together. Okay, so it is very important topic of trigonometry. Here today I am going to teach you what are the angle of elevation and depression. These are required to solve the problems, application problems of trigonometry. Those are related to height and distance and the angle. See, what is angle of elevation? Suppose someone is standing here and this is the level of the eye. Now, one object is placed at higher level than his eye level. Okay? Here, let's say you are sitting on a chair and you are looking at the corner of the ceiling. You can consider like this, or you are looking at any object which is at distance from you as well as on the higher level of your eyes. So, let's say this. Then this person is going to look at this object like this. Okay. Then this is line of sight. Through this line, this person is able to see this object. Then this horizontal line from the eye level. This horizontal line from the eye level. This is called horizontal line. This is horizontal line. Now, angle subtended or angle formed between this line of sight and the horizontal line. Again, angle between the line of sight and the horizontal line is called angle of elevation. This is angle of elevation. So it is quite simple. You can think like this कि when we see the object, those are at higher level from our eye level, then definitely we need to see upward. So whatever line of sight means that particular path from which you are looking at that object. So that is going to be line of sight, and a horizontal line exactly in level of your eyes like this. It is going to be horizontal line or line of horizon we can say. So angle formed between these two, line of sight and the horizontal line, this is called angle of elevation. In the case when we are looking at the object, those are at higher level from our eye level. Now see what is angle of depression. Suppose now someone is standing on some height. Let's say someone is in balcony. Okay, in balcony on 10th floor, 15th floor. Okay, means on some height, Then these are the cars, or some kids are playing in the park, or this is the road. This is the road, traffic is going. So let's say this is one of the car A. Then this person is looking at this car. So this time object is at the lower level from the level of the eye. Okay, so going to see like this. So this is again line of sight. Line of sight, correct? And in this case, horizontal line is going to be definitely from the eye level. You are going to draw one horizontal line like this. So this is horizontal line. Okay, so where is the angle? This is the angle again, which is formed between horizontal line of the eye level and the line of sight. This angle is called angle of depression. Angle of depression. So very simple. When you are looking at the objects, those are at higher level from our eye level, so angle of elevation is formed. And when we are looking at the objects, those are at the lower level from our level of the eye, then angle of depression is formed. I hope it's clear. Thank you.